Another great day in Mark for Future summer camp. Students explored handwriting, tracing letters and sight words, sentences to boost fine motor skills and confidence. In STEAM, they built 3D molecular models, testing their strength and problem-solving skills. Story time sparked imagination, while English conversations helped students introduce family and express preferences. Plus, one student dived into colours, transport and Lego.
Follow my lead. I found a girl.
Well, I found a girl.
Well, I found a girl.
Beautiful and sweet.
Beautiful and sweet.
Good job.
Be slow, your heart.
No. But darling, just kiss me slow. But darling, just kiss me slow. But darling.
Good job.
Who's next?
Me.
Who's next? You ready?
Trace. What is this? A is for
Apple.
apple. A is for ant. A is for, do you know what this is?
I don't know.
Axe.
X.
Axe. A is for, what is this?
Arrow.
Arrow, well done. And A is for, do you know? It's to stop the ship. When you park the ship or a boat, you put this in the water. It's called anchor. But I want you to trace slowly the dot, 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 okay? Take your time. Right, this one, all of this.
Whoa, that's so cool.
What is it?
Flower.
Yeah, flower, good job. Okay, this one here, no arrow, this.
It's, I don't know what that is.
Okay, root,
Root.
root.
Oh, leaf.
Ah, well done, yeah, the green one.
Leaf.
Leaf, good job.
ทุกคนร้องเพลงด้วยลูกร้องเพลงด้วย
Thank you.